साइड से चालू
Let's start our program with the recitation of Holy Quran. For the recitation, I would like Mr. Talha to come and recite some verses of Holy Quran.
لقد جاءكم رسول من أنفسكم عزيز عليكم بالمؤمنين رؤوف رحيم فإن تولوا فقل حسبي الله لا
इस पर 98 से लेकर अब तक पोलियो के लिए हम लोग पहुँचाएँ और पोलियो के सिलसिले में कई इवेंट्स हो चुके हैं और खुदा से दुआ है कि अल्लाह ताला पोलियो का इस मुल्क में पाकिस्तान से जल्द से जल्द खात्मा करें और हम लोग पोलियो के लिए के खात्मे का
I'm going to translate what Mr. Uwais Safaki has just said. All efforts have been put on for eradicating polio from the face of the earth. We are not going to rest in peace till we put all our efforts for this eradication of polio. With this eradication of polio, we will all have a happy life forever. Thank you.
We're going through the program. I'd like to call Mr. Desi Kasmi to come on stage and have some few words with the audience and our children and our distinguished guests.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. First of all, my compliments to Rotary Club of Karachi Karsas organized such a wonderful event for the occasion of World Polio Day and Polio Drive. I would like to say some few words in our national language with your permission. Rotary Club of Karachi Karsas का ये जो प्रोजेक्ट है आपका RCC का, मैं इसका आप लोगों को खैर तस्लीम पेश करता हूँ कि वो प्रोजेक्ट है जिसको हम एक दूसरे क्लब्स को मोटिवेट करते हैं कि आप भी अपना RCC ज़रूर बनाइए. इस सिलसिले में मैं المصطفی वेलफेयर ट्रस्ट की तमाम जितने भी हमारे अहदेदारान हैं उन सबको मुबारकबाद पेश करता हूँ और जिस तरह से आप इंसानियत की खिदमत कर रहे हैं इतने ज़बरदस्त तरीके से, इसके लिए रोटरी और रोटरी की तमाम सपोर्ट आप लोगों के साथ है. इस मौके पर मैं यही कहना चाहूँगा कि हम सबको मिलकर पाकिस्तान से पोलियो के खात्मे के लिए अपने आखिरी जद्दोजहद के जो मराइल हैं उसमें बढ़ चढ़ कर काम करना है ताकि पोलियो को हम जल्द से जल्द पाकिस्तान से ख़त्म कर सकें. थैंक यू वेरी मच.
Ask Duai to please come on stage, grace the stage, and I also like my audience to please give him a round of applause, please.
Thank you. Rotary International President-elect Gordon McKinley, Heather, Uwais Safaki Sahab, President Rotary Club Karachi Karsas, Muhammad Sahab, all members, all family members of Karsas, which includes Rotary Club Karachi Karsas, RCC Maleen, all friends, प्यारे प्यारे बच्चों, अस्सलाम वालेकुम. It's a very good morning to all of you as well. I'll quickly, rather briefly share how this RCC was formed, Mr. President-elect. It was 1998 when I was the president-elect of my club. We decided to form a RCC. And we discussed various areas where we should be forming. Then we all decided, let us go to Malir. Some members were reluctant coming to Malir because Malir at that time was a sort of no-go area. It had security issues, security problems, and there were concerns also. But then Karsa's family felt that, if there are challenges, we should help them out, come out of those challenges. We were lucky we formed a group under the leadership of Mr. Owais, and we were able to establish this. And the founder of this organization, Al-Mustafa Trust, is Haji Hanif Tayyab Sahab. You met him last night as well. And basically he was the motivation for us to reach this area and do something good. And there onwards our journey began. Our first target which we gave was that we want this whole area to be polio free in 3 years. And it happened. In 3 years, this entire area they started, initiated in 1998, and I think 2001, this Malir area had become polio free at that time. That gave us the idea that we can do it. And we had one big challenge at that time, that many of our religious leaders had different perceptions. Now with the presence of Haji Hanif Tayyab Sahab, we requested him and he agreed to lead the advocacy with regard to reaching the various religious leaders. We reached the mosque, we made announcements for the mosque, and there began the journey. And then he later on became the chairman of the Ulama Committee of Roटरी as well. And today I can say that if we have to single out one person who has really helped Roटरी moving ahead and reaching this level, it is Haji Hanif Tayyab Sahab. And then not only also polio, thereon in education, in health sector, they have been our backbone, the club's backbone. And if today Karsas on many occasions during last so many years have received the award of best club, or rather one of the best clubs of the district and of the country, and the entire credit goes to this Roटरी community. They have been a backbone, they have been our frontline workers on all the occasions, and we would like to thank Owais Sahab, you, Aapka bahut shukriya. I would like to thank all the members of RCC Malir, and I am so happy that Owais Sahab has now developed a new generation. Now they are taking over from them. So that is something heartening for me when he informed me just now that he has already developed a leadership from amongst the youngsters, among the youth. तो मैं आप लोगों से यही कहूँगा, जो हमारे नौजवान हैं यहाँ पे, जो इसका रोटरी का हिस्सा बनने जा रहे हैं, कि जिस तरह ओवैस साहब हैं, हाजी हनीफ तैयब साहब हैं, इनको आप रोल मॉडल बनाएं और इनको सामने रख के जो इन्होंने काम किए हैं, ये आपकी जिम्मेदारियाँ हैं कि आप उस काम को आगे बढ़ाएं. I would like to thank you all. Thank you, Mr. President-elect, once again. Nabil, where are you?
Nabil.
The youngster, as I said, one among the new generation leaders, and he will now be taking charge of RCC Malir. So there is. Nabil is there. Mr. President-elect, the incoming chairman of RCC Malir, you can say. So thank you very much. आप लोगों का बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया ओवैस साहब. अपनी आपको ने चेयरमैन तो उनको बना दिया है, लेकिन आपकी जिम्मेदारियां खत्म नहीं हुई हैं. अब जिम्मेदारी और बढ़ेंगी आपकी. बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया आपका.
As you all look back, the Rotary Club Karachi is celebrating the World Polio Day, and we have the honor that in this occasion, in this ceremony, we have our distinguished chief guests, Mr. Garden and Ms. Heather. So without delay, I'd like Mr. Garden, our chief guest, to come on the stage, and I also want you to please welcome him. He is going to be here, and you have to welcome him like he is the furthest. And we, the Pakistanis, are, we're very much the hosts. So I would like you to please give him a warm welcome with your clap. Please welcome Mr. Garden.
Well, good morning everybody, and thank you so much for making us so welcome. We have been in Pakistan now for 3 days, and the warmth of the welcome, the friendship that has been extended to us has been amazing, and we thank you all for that. I am bringing you greetings from Rotary International. 1.4 million members of the same family all around the world. Your family. So I greet you not as fellow Rotarians or fellow Rotaractors or fellow members of RCC. I greet you as my brothers and my sisters. And so thank you so much for allowing us to be here. I want to pay tribute to the Rotary Club of Karzaz for having the foresight to create this RCC all those years ago. When I was a young man, I had a dream, and my dream was that the world could be a better place, and that I could be part of something that made the world a better place. I was fortunate enough to become a member of Rotary, and therefore I was fortunate enough to become part of an organization that every day, in every way, is making the world a better place. But it's not just me that's making the world a better place, it's each and every one of you. And if we all work together, if we all pull in the same direction, then we can make this world a better place for the children that are over there and for their children. And one of the finest ways we can do that is by finally ridding the world of polio. We are this close to doing that job. And we know that one of the last remaining places is here in Pakistan. And I want to give you a commitment from your 1.4 million brothers and sisters around the world that we will eradicate polio from Pakistan, and we will eradicate polio from Afghanistan, and we will eradicate polio from the entire world. But we will only do that if we all continue to work together. So please join me in making sure that the children of those children are never at risk from polio. The grandchildren of those children are never at risk from polio. And that we finally remove that crippling disease from the face of the earth once and for all. Thank you once again for allowing us to be with you today. It is a privilege to be here. Thank you.
How are they functioning? Bring them and grow this plant. This was the first one. 15 years, 14-15 years ago. And the second thing was that this was 15 years back, and this funding was not done by the global grant which is being done these days. This funds totally came from Coca-Cola. When we put up the plant, at that time there was electricity available. But when electricity remained coming and going, so we had to put up a generator here. This was also done with the support of Coca-Cola and collaboration of the Polio Trust. In Karsa. And main thing is that Rotary Club of Karsa has been the state of that's the main thing. It's a partnership. We are very glad, and I just want to point out to you. Today, we have in the process from here to Islam, all the plants, and the best part is that each and everyone is monitored and checked. I just want to clean drinking water is very important. Thank you.
जी लगा बस